is the new tunnel. Cool. Wow. 330 meters long. Longest tunnel in the Philippines. Took them 10 years to build.
10 years?
Oo, 10 years. Oh, yan. Siguro mga ano lang. Wala pang 30 seconds yung tunnel. Wow. Pero yan naman. Nice view of Patungan here in Cavite. Yan naman, oh. Overlooking ng dagat. Cool, oh. Wow. Cool. You remember there, oh, Carabao Island, oh, where we go scuba diving. There, oh, there's Carabao Island, where you can go scuba diving. And in front of it is Corregidor Island. Ito na, ang first beach. Ano to? Yan, Limbones yan, di ba? Limbones Island.
Yan. Katapat na yan na maliit.
A brand new tunnel and a brand new highway going to Punta Fuego.
Pasok na yung kuiba dyan, sir.
Wow. What a view. So there you have Carabao and Limbones Island somewhere on that side. Still fixing the road because if it rains, yan, all the rocks will fall. Ayan, may mga net pala, oh. Yan ang problema. So make sure you're careful when you're passing here during the rainy season. So going back again to there, Limbones Island, Island of the Goats. So this is the zigzag road. It's just like going to San Francisco coming from Los Angeles, and we have been traveling only 13 kilometers coming from Puerto Azul. Look at that virgin forest. So view of Pico del Oro on top, and we're against the light, and that's the peak of the Loro. And
we're crossing the border.
We're crossing the bridge going to Amilo Coast, which they call Henry C's Little Paradise. Wow. What a view. What a fantastic view. We're in between rainforests going to Punta Fuego, and wow, inside those forests, Cole, what do you see? Monkeys, right? So Cole, enjoying your ride? Huh? Or enjoying your chicharon? What? Answer. Your chicharon, both. Okay, let's go back to the view. Wow. We're still inside two mountains, inside rainforests of Puerto Azul.
This is still not, this is not Cebuano.
No, but actually this is not Puerto Azul anymore. This is already the road going to Nasugbu. Cows on the left, and not quite a good road, medyo rough road, but at least it is a cemented road. Still lots of trees surrounding the road. It's really a beautiful ride going here. And if you're coming from Mall of Asia, another Henry C property, it will take you maybe about 60 to 70 kilometers to be able to reach Nasugbu. So maybe an hour and a half drive coming from Ross Boulevard. But with the ambience, you wouldn't mind driving for 1 hour and a half every day, coming to this paradise. And this is the first flat road after the zigzag. And this road will actually lead you to Jamilo, another Henry C property, super rich. So right now we're traveling 19 kilometers already, coming from Puerto Azul in maybe 10 minutes, and this is the property of Henry C, the rich guy, rich Chinese. Yan, Pico de Loro. So this is the end of the property line of Mr. Henry C, who owns only just 6,000 hectares. Okay, very, very humble guy. And now this cemented road is leading to Punta Fuego. So after Jamilo, we're now traveling this place called Looc. Okay, we are supposed to turn right here. This is the first right. There you can see a sign. There, Jamilo going to Manila. There, that's the sign. You turn right here in this road. And so far we've been traveling roughly 20 kilometers. And this road will lead us to the peninsula of Punta Fuego. Wow. Give it maybe 5-10 more years. These rice fields on the right will become commercial. Donated by Henry C. This will be the next commercial place. So after Looc, now comes Calayo. Calayo place here in Nasugbu. That's the name, Calayo. We're still in the zigzag roads of Calayo. Wow, blue skies. Blue skies on a wet season, which is July. Imagine that, We'll have good diving, Okay, traveling already 27 kilometers. Coming from Puerto Azul. So let's round it up from either Mall of Asia or anywhere in Makati like Ayala. You'll be traveling 60 kilometers till Puerto Azul in Ternate, and then another 30 kilometers to Punta Fuego, and that will give you a total of 90 kilometers, and traveling for around 1 hour and a half if you're with no traffic. Hopefully no traffic. That is 90 kilometers, 1 hour and a half. So 1 minute per kilometer. Am I right, Cole? Yeah. Okay. And leave here early in the morning, so absolutely there's not gonna be any traffic. And look at those blue skies.